Good afternoon, birds. Good afternoon. So, today, guess what? Today, we have date night. Woo! Yay for the parents. Yay for the parents. We're gonna go see a movie tonight, and we're gonna have fun. Got you a bunch of new clothes. Yes, we did. We got some new jammies and some like new onesies, I believe, and yeah. So out.
Hey, babe.
Hi. It's been a week since we've been married. It's been a week, babe. We've gone a week as a married couple. Epic. I know, for real though. It's funny how time has gone by.
Good, baby.
Hey, come on, you got it.
Remember, don't breathe. Push it down, push it down.
There you go, there you go.
Everything you got.
Yes, babe.
Should look at Daddy. Yes, very much.
Do. Oh, want some fussing. Yeah, why you fuss? Look at that yawn. Hey.
Hey.
You just smacked me in the face. I'm trying to talk here and you just smacked me in the face. That's not nice. Yeah, you grow really quickly. And I would like you to stop growing so quickly. Like, slow it down just a little bit. I mean, come on, I'm trying to enjoy you as a baby. You're so cute and awesome, and I love you so much, and I wish you could stay this way. But sadly, that cannot happen. Which is a good thing too. I would not want that to happen though. I mean, I just wish it could be possible, but it's not. So, grow up to be a nice, healthy, beautiful young lady. We're chilling with Kitty today. What you doing there? You dancing in place? Yeah, because that's not really, there's not much else you could do right now. Uh-huh. We got some working out to do, don't we? Yeah, you got some tummy time to put in, and I have some League of Legends World Challenge workout to do. Base it off of my kills, deaths, and assists. I had lots of fun in my last match playing Jinx, and I got a lot of kills. The fun's over now because I gotta do 21 sit-ups. A lot of sit-ups. Yep. Which isn't a lot, but I mean, if I play a lot of more matches, it starts to add up. Yeah. So it's in the mirror. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Ooh. Up, no shot. So I mean, this may be ridiculous, but we're just going around the house and like taking shots in different areas of the house, you know, in different rooms and stuff. This is kind of fun. We were in the bedroom, now we're in front of the front door. We're behind it. We're behind the front door. Sitting at the kitchen table with some puzzle pieces behind me. Right now, this is the puzzle that Rachel and her mom is working on right now. Look at our dishwasher. It's finally working. Yeah, it has been working for like a week or something. And today it just decided to start working. Right? Isn't that right? Yay for a working dishwasher. Whoa, did you just grab for that? Did you just grab for that toy? Wow, good job. Good job, Polamita. You're not even looking at it, you just felt around, you felt and you grabbed. Really good. Play them tunes, little Paloma. I'm doing really good. I don't know if we can mark it down yet though. See, we have this app that we use to track a lot of Paloma's daily things, like when she takes a nap or when she gets a change or when she has her, feeding. And on it also like includes milestones that we can check. Like it's a checklist of milestones, and every now and then we'll look at it to see if she's done anything new. And one of them is that she reaches for a toy on her own and then grabs and picks it up and switches over, takes the object, toy, and switches over to the other hand. And that's another one, so that's like 2. I think she's done both right now. But sometimes we generally try to wait to see if she'll do it some more before we actually mark it down. You are laying it onto that key, aren't you? Paloma, what noises you make? You go, shoo! Yeah, you do. You go, shoo! Shoo! Paloma, what noises do you make when you go to sleep? What noises do you make? You go, shoo! Don't pretend. Don't pretend like you don't. I hear you. I sleep in this very room with you at night, and you be going, shoo! How do you go? Shoo! Yeah, that's how you sleep. You go, shoo! And you go, shoo! Yeah, that's how you sleep. Alright. Oh, hey there. Looks like you found a new way to play your piano.
Hey. Hey, oh.
You gonna play some more? Yeah, look, you're just scooting up to it. Go on, Paloma, play some more. Go on. That's using your head.
So squishy.
You're talking about? By now it's, huh?
That is squishy.
By now it is hard as like limestone.
Oh, she has a squishy head.
Look at that. Look. She hits it a lot more. Good girl, Paloma. Really good. You're gonna be like the star of the show when you start playing piano and stuff.
So, we're gonna go see a movie. We want to watch a movie, and we're gonna go watch a movie, and I'm pretty nervous. Watch a movie in a theater, and I'm just home sleeping, and I'm so nervous about it. It's really weird. Okay.
So, we just finished watching our movie. Uh-huh. It was really awesome and we really enjoyed it. It was great. It was so funny. It was captivating, amazing. Yeah.
All those things, and now I'm ready to go home
Yep, now we're about to go home.
and see our baby.
Yeah,
I miss her.
this is our baby. Well, it's
Anyway.
like 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to be so tired tomorrow.
I know.
I'm not looking forward to editing this vlog
No.
just because I'm going to be so tired.
Well, I mean, it's just like really short clips, one after another. and
Okay,
then just-
so I guess hopefully it'll be quick.
Yeah,
We really got to be better about vlogging.
I
More
know.
of our day.
yeah.
If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Good night.
Night.